Andy Henches from the Henches Home Team, EXP Brokerage. So today, you probably heard yesterday, there's a lot of interest talk, things happen. Everybody's wondering about mortgage interest rates, and I'm going to talk about a comparison. Everybody talks about comparing rent to buying a home. So I'm going to do a practical example, apples to apples, the best I could do. So, should I buy or should I rent? So what I did, I picked a city, a random city. I picked Maple Grove. So I went on rent.com and I found a 3-bedroom apartment in Maple Grove averaging over $2,500 a month. Then what I did is I went on the MLS and I pulled up 13 different properties, and I know 13 aren't on here, but I couldn't fit on the card. Trust me, it's 13. So what I did is I looked at the average, $250,000 to $299,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhomes in Maple Grove. Next, what I did, I used a handy mortgage calculator, and I looked, what would it cost? And I did an average. It was $271,000 of all the ones I looked at, try to figure out what your payment would be. I used a 6% interest rate, 3% down, included taxes, interest, HOAs, all-in payment, $1,591 a month. I went up to 7% interest, same thing, taxes, interest, homeowners insurance, and I came up with an all-in payment of $1,764. Then I went back to handyrent.com. I looked at all the rentals and pulled up a couple on here, and what I found, 3-bedroom apartment in the Twin Cities, Edina, $2,822 a month. On the high end, Minneapolis, $1,995 per month. 2-bedroom, I thought, why not check the 2 bedrooms? Bloomington, high end, $2,378. Edina, $1,715. Then I said, why not a 1-bedroom? What's that going to cost? I looked around, average in Woodbury, $1,749. Edina, $1,395. Then I went studio. Hey, I lived in a studio before. They're small, right? Guess what? Fridley, $1,250 a month. High end. Woodbury, $1,608. In the end, it's your choice. Are you going to rent or are you going to buy? If you decide to buy, I'd love to talk. We do have programs, down payment assistance as low as $1,000 down to get you in a home. We'd love to talk. Until then, have a great day. Talk soon.